First, I will simplify the given function. So we will copy integral symbol. We have integral, and we will have 5 times x cubed over x minus, we have 2 times square root. We will change square root to power form, so it will be x to 1/2 power over x. Our integral is with respect to x. And now, because we have integral of difference, we can change to difference of integrals. I will reduce fractions. We have x cubed over x, so will be x squared. So we will have 5 times x squared with respect to x minus integral of, we have invisible 1, so it will be 2 times x to power 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2 with respect to x. This is equal. When we have integral of constant, we have to copy this constant first, and next we will have integral of x squared with respect to x minus, we will take 2 before integral, and we have integral of x to power negative 1/2 with respect to x. This is equal. Now we are going to use the following formula. When we have integral of x to power n with respect to x, this is equal. In numerator we have x to power n plus 1, and in denominator we have n plus 1 plus constant c. When we have indefinite integral, we have to always add constant. This formula is for n different than negative 1. So in our case, in first integral, we will first copy 5. Our n is equal to, so it will be x to power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus, we have first integral, so I will put c1 minus 2, and we have in numerator x to power negative 1/2 plus 1 over negative 1/2 plus 1 plus constant 2. This is equal. We will have 5 times x cube over 3. First I will put expression with x, so will be minus 2 times x to power 1/2 over 1/2 plus, we have constant c1 and c2, so we add constant c. So this is equal. Now we have 5 over 3 times x cube minus, we have to flip this fraction because this fraction is in denominator, so it will be 2 times 2 over 1, so is 4 times x to power 1/2, we can change to square root of x plus c. This is my solution.